Hey, man. Yo, dope. What's the word, man? What is the word, man? How my people's doing out here, man? What's the word in these streets? Right now, I'm leaving Costco, man. Y'all see the line, though? Coming in here, all the way from the door to... Bro, what? What? It's busting, bro. Hey, it's all the way to the bro. I'm talking about. Damn. Yeah, I'm glad I came early. So cause yeah. I don't know about all that one though. Hey man, say man. I don't know about that. You know what I'm saying? But story of my peoples, man. I know y'all ain't seen me from this view right here in a minute, dog. You know what I'm saying? Like POV joints. No, I don't know. I ain't been doing it in a minute, but yesterday I actually, like, for my day yesterday, I was going to pick up, you know what I'm saying, my pickup and drop off and all that. I was going to record like a POV, you know what I'm saying, for yesterday, but ended up leaving my SD card and my laptop at the house, so I couldn't do that. So yeah, man, that kind of messed that up, you know what I'm saying, but it's all good, you know. And I feel like I just want to upload a video like once a week at least. Like try to do something like that, but so that's why I'm recording today. Like I ain't got nothing to do after this. I'm finna head back to the yard and head home for home time for the weekend and all that. So I just wanted to go ahead and talk to y'all about, you know what I'm saying, just not about anything in particular, but want to holler at my peoples though, you know, see what y'all got going on, you know what I'm talking about. Like I gotta holler at y'all once a week, man. Y'all my dogs, man. Y'all my dogs. It's Friday, you know what I'm saying. Everybody got paid. Everybody got their pay out there too. Y'all payday coming up. I look. You know what I'm saying? I got paid again today. You know what I'm saying? Check looking nice. You know, and I ain't gotta keep telling y'all about, you know what I'm saying, how my checks looking. Hey, y'all see the first one like 14, 1500. Last one was 2 bands. This one right between both of them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta keep on, you know, showing y'all the check all that. You know, I don't wanna keep, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing all that for y'all, but yeah, check looking nice, savings looking nice. Hey, stack that money, dog. For real, all my people. Now I'm gonna go ahead do this scan, you dig? But hey, stack that money, man. Create y'all, like I've been telling y'all. You get paid $10.99, or you got a business, or you want to start a bit, anything you want to do, bro. You cleaning, you doing some kind of handiwork, construction, car, anything you doing, bro. It's like a business. Go ahead and start your S corp, man. Start you an S corporation. I'm not sure how. I don't know if you gotta file a 2553 like to do an S corp, but that's what I had to do because I had an LLC. Now transitioning my LLC, my regular LLC, into an S corp. So that's why I had to file a 2553 form. So you know what I'm saying, y'all go ahead and do that. If you ain't, you know what I'm saying, if you ain't do that, if you ain't up on game, go ahead. You know what I'm saying, start your S corporation, man. They're gonna save you on your taxes, bro. They gonna, like, you know what I'm saying, that self-employment tax is what you'll get taxed for the 1099s. But you start your S corp, you're gonna knock that into, you know what I'm saying, knock that in half to sell like 7.6, something like that. So you're gonna save like about, depending on how much money you making, but you can save like $10,000 or something like that on taxes. Or like you saving a hell of money, you know what I'm saying, for real. So I just want to like go ahead and I'll probably tell y'all that every video just to, you know what I'm saying, let people know, bro. Y'all go ahead and start y'all an S corp. I actually got a tax consultation phone call I gotta take care of today. It's like 1:30. Go ahead, so I'm gonna give me a personal accountant, CPA and all that, you know what I'm talking about, so I can just, so I'll be good on my taxes, you know what I'm talking about. So like at the end of the year, they file my taxes and all my business and my personal tax, they file that for free. I pay them monthly, but at the end of the year, that's a write-off because it's for my business. So like I ain't really tripping about that because I'm getting all that money back. So not getting it back, but I ain't gotta, like, you know what I'm saying, like, that's the thing about it. When you getting paid money and you 1099 and all that, you want to spend money on your business. So like at the end of the year, you ain't really giving most of your money to the government, you know what I'm saying. You really spending on your business, or you know what I'm saying, for expenses. So that's gonna be a business expense right there. So yeah, man, I'm finna go and head back to the yard real quick, you know what I'm saying. But I just want to holler at my peoples, you know what I'm saying, to see what y'all got going on, bro. Cause you know, I gotta holler at y'all, dog. If I don't holler at y'all, who gonna do it? You know what I'm saying? Y'all get this money out here, bro. Stay motivated and all that, you know what I'm saying? Continue to eat good, sleep good, you know what I'm saying? Exercise good, all that. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go ahead and head to the yard. Finna go enjoy my weekend, you know what I'm talking about? Gonna let this truck go ahead pass. Could have gone ahead, but hey, Costco busting right now. Costco is busting right now. Look at the Tesla owner. I know them Tesla owners laughing at us right now, bro. They ain't got to worry about no gas. You know what I'm saying? You know, gas price is nuts right now. Tesla, all they got to do go to the crib, charge, they good. They good, but yeah, man. Like I told y'all, this one really not in particular that I wanted to talk about. I just wanted to, I don't know, just talk to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just have a conversation with y'all, you know? Like I told them, I'm gonna make one video a week. I could have saved on this and did like a POV on my work day for Sunday. I could have did that. But, you know, I wanted to go ahead, you know what I'm saying, work with my peoples, man. Y'all know how I go, bro. Go ahead, you know what I'm saying, holler at my dog. And I got a logo, I ain't gonna say it's for my business, but it ain't. Like, I got a logo for Breadhawker coming up. I just go ahead, I went on Fiverr, so app called Fiverr, Fiverr. Give me a logo created. It should be done by next week, by Friday next week. I should have it done, ready. That gonna be on clothes, all type of products, man. Like, I'm, you know what I'm saying, my business, bro. I'm telling y'all, I'm out here trying to grind, dog. I'm out here trying to grind for sure, 2022, hey, the year of grinding, stacking, all that. You know what I'm saying? Bank account looking good, savings looking good, bills paid, business looking, you know what I'm saying? Everything looking good. I'm on the up and up right now. You know, I just want to motivate y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's get motivated out here, shit. Get this money, dog. If you ain't got, you know, CDLs, what you waiting on, man? Unless you got something going on for real, like college, and you were like playing sports or something like that, you got something, you know what I'm saying? If you ain't doing nothing for real, but you know what I'm saying, you just work a little 9 to 5 just to check the check, bro, go ahead and get you your CDLs, man. You gonna always have a job, bro. Always. There's so much you can do, man. This stuff will take you, it can take you so many places. You know what I'm saying? For real though, motivation, man. You know what I'm saying? Friday motivation. That's gonna be the title of the video, matter of fact. Friday motivation, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get y'all some, no, go ahead and get that CDL, bro. Go ahead and go to school. It's crazy how it's been 7 years, how them 7 years just flew by since I got mine. Really 6.5. I got mine like 2015, December 2015 though, is when I got my actual license. So it ain't been 7 years yet, but I'm like, you know what I'm saying, I'll be there in a couple, I ain't gonna say a couple months, about 9 months, 8, 9 months. But yeah, man, go ahead and get you your CDLs, bro. If you ain't got no CDLs, you ain't gotta get no CDLs. Just like, you know what I'm saying, it's a lane you can get in, but anything else, start you a business, like whatever you wanna do. For the ladies, you know what I'm saying, get y'all some lashes, you know what I'm saying, hair wig, cleaning, whatever y'all do. Y'all do y'all thing. For the guys, you know what I'm saying, even the guys might want to do some like hair. I don't know, you know what I'm saying, there's guys that do hair. You know what I'm saying, construction, cleaning, whatever the case is, man. You got you a business. Now, if you don't got a business, go ahead and start you a business, man. LLC, get you a S corp. Not R, get you an S corp for sure. LLC is like for liability purposes, you know what I'm saying. You don't want to get, you know what I'm saying, to protect your personal assets and all that. But go ahead and start your S corp, man, for real, y'all. I'm telling you. Hey, gonna save y'all in the long run. Save y'all them taxes. I'm gonna preach that. One more time, 1099. You know what I'm saying? If you get paid 1099, go ahead and start your S corp, man. You're gonna start your S corp. Stack that money too, cause them checks gonna be fat. I know them checks gonna be, you get all your money, you know what I'm saying? You don't get the after taxes, like after taxes taken out, you don't get no net, you get your whole gross in your pocket when you get paid 1099. You know what I'm saying? So them checks be looking fat. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the mall this week. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, you know what I'm saying, be doing that. Oh, I'm finna go spend this, on that. Like, no, you gotta stack that money up, man, for real. Stack that up to the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? You good, you ain't gotta worry about, at the end of the year, you ain't gotta worry about being messed up on your taxes and nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? You be good. You saved up. You ahead of the curve, you know? And excuse my windshield, man. You know, the windshield wiper ain't gonna do it justice. I gotta just wait till I get to a truck stop, clean it off, when I get back to the yard. On the way back from Cali yesterday, man, them bugs was smacking my smacking the windshield. But yeah, like I told y'all, man, this video ain't too much of nothing for real. I just, know what I'm saying, go ahead and want to not fill y'all in on really nothing. But, you know what I'm saying, just wanted to holler at y'all and just chat with my peoples, you know. Like I told you, I want to make a video like once a week, at least. So this is going to continue that tradition, I'm guessing. So, yeah, man. It's your boy Breadhawker finna get up out of this thing, man. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm finna go and head back to the yard. I don't know how long this video is right now. I don't know how long it's been going on. Let me see if I can get to that. Let me see. Oh, it's been 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes ain't bad. 10 minutes ain't bad. I'm gonna go ahead and end it as soon as I get up here by this highway. You know? That's one thing about this street right here, bro. These lanes be so skinny. This particular street right here, talking about lanes be super thin. Look, you see how the truck in front of me, y'all, down in the middle lane, you know what I'm saying? And it be trucks like in the middle lane trying to turn, so like you gotta, it be kind of tough right here. Yeah, I'm driving, I'm still finna do it. Hey, I'll do it again. I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Hit him with that what? Yeah, boy, it's your boy Breadhawker, man. Hey, Long, what up? Long, what the word? Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about right now, y'all. I'm just talking for real. No, I'm finna go ahead and head out, though. I'm finna head out, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and get on this I-10 West. You know, head back to the yard. Yard about a good 10 minutes from me right now, you know, so make this a smooth transition right here. I'm gonna make the video probably about 13, 14 minutes, I don't know, just cause it ain't no particular reason, y'all. Just, you know what I'm saying, I appreciate everybody that's sticking around right now, you know what I'm saying. You know, hey, appreciate all that. Hit that like button for me, y'all. If y'all messing with your boy, man, y'all support me, hit that like button for sure. It's that same girl from yesterday, bro. She look young as hell to be out here with a homeless, you dig, bro. Like, come on, shorty. Get you a little gig or something, man. I don't know. It's like, I don't like when it's females that be doing it. You know what I'm saying? You know, I don't like when guys do it either. Like, when I say I don't like, I mean like, I feel for them. You know what I'm saying? Cause you don't know what somebody's going through. You never know. But when it's a female, bro, that's just kind of, that's sucky, bro. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. I don't trust. You know, it be weirdos out here. So like, it be a nigga see her, you know what I'm saying, on the corner. Appreciate it. If be somebody on the corner, like a dude on the corner or something, you know what I'm saying, probably pick up, act like he want to help her out, but he really don't want to help. Kidnaps, it be all type of weird stuff going on. So like, I appreciate it. The lady give me a thumbs up. I don't know why. I guess she see me with the camera. There's a lot of positive energy going on out here right now. You know, I don't know. I like the positive energy, you know, for real. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and head out. One last time, I told y'all that about 3-4 times already, but hey, y'all my peoples, man. I like when y'all stick around, mess with your boy. You know what I'm talking about? Hit that like button, like I told y'all. Go ahead and subscribe. If y'all messing with me, support, man. It's the Breadhawker LLC. Nah, Breadhawker Logistic LLC. One more time. Nah, it's the other hand.